Hello students, now I'll take your social science class for class 7. Everyone take out your social science books and take out books page number 216. And today we'll start from here, election procedure. In every country, a specific procedure to conduct election is laid down. The election and procedure in India is as follows. The fixation of election commission and the preparation of elections rule and the announcement of election dates and establishment of polling station and nomination by the candidates. For the purpose of election to Lok Sabha and the state the legislative assembly, the whole country is divided into the almost equally populated area, which is called the fixation of election constitution and preparations of elections rule. The preparation of election rules is the second and the important stage of the election process, and Article 325 of the Indian Constitution provides for the preparing of general electoral roll for all the before election. It is the received before every general elections the names of new votes and the included in the voters list, and ones who have left the constituency by have expired and deleted nowadays. Announcement of election dates. The announcement of elections date is made by the election commissions, however, before announcing with the central government and the concerned state, the government's announcement of the elections to the Lok Sabha and state the assembly is made by the president and the government respectively. And next one is establishments of the polling stations for the convenience of these votes and the make of electoral system functions properly. Numerous and polling stations, the establishment different parts of every constituency, and now nominations by the candidates. Along with these, the elections commissions announce the dates of filling the nominations papers by the candidates and their withdrawal etc. The duration of candidates sent the nominations and papers in election official of their the constituency, and the nominations papers must be signed by the person who process and the person who sent the name, and their names must be on the voting list of that the constituency. Next one is security and withdrawal of nominations paper. On a fixed date and the nominations paper are the scrutinies those having some the withdrawn and drawn backs of the rejected and the names of the eligible candidates announced. And security formations papers are the prescribed for the withdrawal of nomination, and the candidates who has the withdrawal their the nominations make a written request date to concerned elections officials, and the elections officer the result of security deposit they are the concerned candidate and publish their list at the remaining candidates and almost election symbol of them. And next one is election campaign. After the publication of this list and eligible candidates by the election officer and different political parties are the independents, the lands and the vigorous and the election campaigning support of their the candidates, political parties and release their the election the manufacturers and the progress in the programs through the public meetings, the professions and rail the various names of mass media as newspaper and the pamphlets of radio and television. And polling on the election day, a holiday is declared so that votes can and exercise their the franchises, and on the basis of the names and included and polling station and EVM the consists of a panel with the names of the constituencies in the political parties and their symbols of the displayed on a voter and process the button who is the the alumnus in the performed party and cast his her vote. And continuing upwards, after after pulling this offer, the counting and the counting of the personals who the appointed by the returning officer start the counting of the votes at a fixed and place and a fixed time under the supervisor of the returning officer. At the time of the counting of the votes, the agents appointed by the candidates and the candidates themselves are the present at the venue of counting, and if we have any objections regarding the counting of votes, and they bring that the notice of the returning officer. And now, declaration of the result. Next one, after the counting of the votes and the returning officer declared the candidates the party getting the maximum numbers of votes and winner, the resulting officer issues the certificate to that the effect to the successful candidates, the political parties. The political party is then the organized group of people with the common ideology for the secure power of the constituting elections, and the parties follow the constitutional and the procedures from the government and essential parties. From the above mention of definition of political party, we can conclude and sum the essential facts for the formations of the political parties and the organized group of people. The similarity of the political ideology and common I am is the aid in the political ability and the peaceful names of patenting political power. And now we'll learn the national, state and level political parties in India. There are two types of political parties in India: national political parties and the state political parties. The parties can be different. The differentiated the are given below: national political parties and state political parties. They have the influence all over the country, and state political parties they are the influence the conflict to the particular area or state. They have their units all over the country. They have their units all over the states. They usually give the priority of the nation issues. They always the emphasis on the regional issues and try to influence the and particular region. And types, now we'll learn types of party system. Political parties are important because of the range and factions and carry out in the complex the interrelationship between the among the parties is curricular insignia and the structuring of the way political system work. This network relationship and called the a party system. The most familiar way the distinguishing between the different types of party system by referring to the numbers of parties competing for the power. On this the basis and divides a socialist and political and disgusting between one party to two party and multi-party system. The major party systems found in the modern democracies as follows: one party system, one party, monoparty, uniparty, and system is one which there is no one the political party which functions at the control the government. In the China and Cuba and type of the party system exists. And next we will learn the two parties. In a country where there are only the two political parties, the political system is known as the two-party, and the biparty system is the consist of the power. In a biparty system, one party is the power and other the forms the oppositions. Each a substantial rule of the play and has the alternative changes the comparing and power. And England and USA have the biparty system. And next one is multi-party system and continues which have one more two political parties and which are the substantial role of play and the changes and securing power either the single-handedly and the handly or in the coalition with the other. The political parties have the multi-party system. For example, in India and France and Israel multi-party system in procedure. So students, so today we'll learn this one. Everyone learn at first. Election produced to come to here, and everyone learn this at your home.